Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you this breakdown from this app channel that was happening here on the daily time frame chart. And I was telling you that after this breakdown, the technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the channel at point double zero double zero and double zero six times $0.77. And now you can see that finally the pricing has dropped at that level. And over there, by the way, we also have a quite long-term support zone as well from 77 to 73. By the way, after this breakdown, we have also lost this very significant support zone that was starting from 115 and goes to 108 5 times 0, $108. And now we have also broken down another very long-term support, the uptrend line support. Well, that was coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now it can be flipped into a resistance after this breakdown. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SCR, you just need to click on the link of the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 17th of January 2025 with my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, and finally we broke the support. And the technical target that I was telling you was here at the bottom of the channel at point double zero double zero and double zero six times $0.77. Now we have finally hit that target. The downside, and by the way, from 77 to 73, we have a quite long-term support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as support down here, support down here, support down here, and before that, for several weeks, a month, it had been breaking at the resistance here, support here, and support here. Therefore, this time again, we can expect that it can work as a strong support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, even on the 1 hour time frame chart, then you can see that exactly from the support zone, price and is likely to have another bounce. And for example, if we will have another price reversal from here, then this time we will have a very strong uptrend line resistance that was previously working as support. Let me just show you on the 7 day time frame chart. And here you can see that we had this uptrend line support coming from the month of October 2023. We had several bounces from this support, and now after this breakdown, it can be flipped into a very, very strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. And in case of breaking it out, now we will need to break out this resistance on as well. That starts from 108 and goes to 115 point double zero double zero and 05 times 0.115 $115. That was previously working as a resistance on here, support on here, and before that, it was working as a resistance on here as well. And now, if we take a look at the previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that after the breakout, we had a very, very nice pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, and you can see that it was almost 511% pump, but still, Bryson could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.